What's up everybody, Automob Media here, and in today's Mustang Rebuild video, I'll be stripping the interior so I can get a better idea as to how badly the floorboards have rusted. I know for sure I've got a spot on the driver's side, but I'm unsure about the passenger side. So taking the seats and the carpet out will give me a much better idea as to what I need to repair. First up is the seats. So let's see what we got to do to get these things out of here. Okay, so we've got our 15mm socket and our ratchet. Let's see if we can get these bolts loose. Front two bolts are out. Time for this little plug, and then it's onto the back two bolts. These back two bolts were giving me a bit of trouble, so I decided to get the WD-40 out and give them a spray down. Waited a sec to let that WD-40 soak in, penetrate the rust, and then gave it another try. But I could not get it off. So I pulled out the impact. Let's go. Alright, come on, number two. There we go. Now to remove the passenger seat. Done and done. And now I'm removing the wires that connect the power to the seat. Now to the front of the seat. Let's see if I can get these bolts out. The impact gun just didn't fit, so we're gonna try it with the ratchet. Yeah, that don't look too good for us. Well, let's see if we can get it with a set of pliers. Not a ton of tools, but these might be able to do the trick.
Somehow the ratchet doesn't work, and somehow the impact doesn't work. You've always got pliers or a cutter. One or the other, you know. Let's see if we could probably get it off with this now. It's got enough room. These seats are definitely not going back in.
There we go. Both seats out. Lots of room in here now. Just a quick shout out to my homie at Engineered Racing Services. He's the one that helped me rig up the new exhaust. And if you want to check out his website, the link will be in the description. They've got performance parts, aftermarket accessories, all that kind of stuff. So go check them out, guys. Looking under the Mustang here, we definitely have some rust going on, but we're gonna take the carpet out and get a better look at it from inside the vehicle. Okay, so as you can see, we got the back seat out. Well, at least the bench, the bottom. The front seat's out, and just taking off the little runners here and looking to try to get the carpet out. Alright, now that we've got the carpet out, we can check out what's going on with the floorboards. Turns out I've got a rust hole the size of my hand. Not sure if this was already patched here or if this is some sort of insulation, but there's some more rust over here to the right, and then we do have some salt chilling there in the corner. So I'm going to have to clean that up, that's for sure. I think it's time to grab the flathead and get to work. Alright, let's see what happens here. Yeah. Looks like we're pretty rotted. Aftermath. As we near the end of the day and the sun comes down, I've come over to the passenger side and I've noticed some rust in the rear. It's a little worse than I expected, and we're gonna do the same thing that we did to the driver's side to see really how bad it is. Well, everybody, that's it for this one. As you can see, we've got some repairs to do in the next episode. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, leave a like and a comment. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button.